KMD is a 50-year-old company. We have practice that is both national and international, spanning a whole variety of different kinds of projects. In many ways, I like to say it's easier to say what we don't do. We do not do airports, but otherwise we do pretty much everything else. The built environment is the largest contributor to the problem, if you will. And I hope that more conversation takes place on a global basis about the influence that buildings can play in this, because it's actually, I think, the most significant possibility.
What we're used to doing is the fastest and the easiest and the cheapest. And when you don't have ways to show people how those aren't good solutions, then it's just going to keep going that way. And then we feel the effects of it when we see that weather's changing and resources are running out. People have jumped on the board of no vinyls or no redless chemicals and things like that. How you can gather that information is still a little hard to do just because you have to search for everything. That's where Ecomedes comes in to find something all in one place that you can really search for the specific labels or ratings and be able to find something that fits the needs.
You go back 20 years ago and architecture was pretty much architecture. Architecture, engineering, nothing else. There were no other ancillary industries that were involved in it. The real challenge is to find avenues to collect the kind of information we need. The reality of us undertaking the proposition of creating those things by ourselves is just not there. Having the ability through relationships and people like Ecomedes and others to actually build that kind of network of information is really important. And if the world all got together and talked about what they could do globally in the built environment, I think we'd have a pretty good fighting chance.